Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. To my knowledge, Apple's best music player is iTunes Music Player, which is given by default on our iPhone. But to use it, we have to restore to computers or need a net connection. In today's video, I will show you how to use the best music player on iPhone offline. This offline music player is called Melodista Offline Music Player. We will get this app in the App Store. First, we will go to the App Store. Then, we will search Melodista Music Offline Player. Then, we will install the app and open it after installing. After opening, we will see such an interface. Now, we have to add our favorite music here. Another thing we like about here is that we can play our videos in audio mode here. I will click on the icon you see above to add music. Then we can add music from different sources here. For example, I am adding here from the Files app. Click on Files app. Now you can add the music of your choice from here. When you click on the music of your choice, the music will be added to your music player. Now you will play and enjoy your music.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. That love is all we'll ever trust.
So this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.